Happy Easter, everybody, or Resurrection Sunday. What better way to celebrate the victory over death than getting this 1948 Pontiac Streamliner Deluxe Silver Streak 8 moving around again under its own power. I didn't plan on this today, but it just spoke to me to, you know, throw the tires back on. And now that the frame's buttoned back up, I don't see why it can't, you know, cruise around the yard. So let's do it. Starter hung up there for a second. No brakes. This is my only safety here. Did it shift in the second already? Oof. She's squishy. Good thing I got that frame repaired. This thing's a little bouncy. What a mammoth hood. Watch out, chickens. Uh-oh. How about neutral? Oh. Carburetor running. It's got no accelerator pump. See what kind of low end torque she's got. But how about that, you guys? For all of you that's seen the videos of picking up this car and getting it going again, I just want to say thank you and appreciate you watching. And oh goodness gracious, and hope you enjoyed this little video of her kind of just gently cruising around the yard with no brakes. Let's find neutral. You really can't throw it in park, can you? What do you think, guys? Oh, got all sorts of stuff happening. Quiet fuel pump. Yeah, we better do a block off plate. That'll blow by.